turns out we only have one diaper left. So basically, unless Thomas tries really hard not to pee or poop in his diaper, he's screwed. Is everything alright, Thomas? Hold it in, Thomas. Just hold it in. We only have one diaper left. So I need to make the one I have on last just a little bit longer. Quack. That duck voice was so redundant and terrible. Ah! Thomas? Are you alright? You seem very stressed about something. Oh, yuck! Jonathan! How can you possibly not be able to smell what I smell? Ew, I smell it too. Sorry, guys. I couldn't hold it in. No ads? Okay. Alright, Thomas. You're wearing the only diaper we have left, so you have to try really hard not to go to the bathroom, okay? I'll try, but it's really hard for me not to go because I'm not potty trained yet. At least you guys don't need diapers. And if I were you, I'd find my grandson right now. And my son. And what about my child? He was convinced to run away again by those little troublemakers of yours. Look, we're doing everything we can, but for now, we all just need to calm down. We'll never find them with all this commotion going on. Yes, you're absolutely right, dear. Now that we're alone, I'll make sure that you'll never bother me again with the punishment you'll never forget until it's all over. My mom's back. Again, if you hear me saying random stuff, it's because I'm narrating my script for a thing. Okay? If you hear a bunch of noise, that's because my mom just came in the room. I wonder why I haven't heard anything from Hurricane and Thomas for so long. I hope everything's alright. Wait, I saw Hurricane taking Thomas to the basement. Did I just hear Thomas crying and calling my name? Hurricane must be hurting him again. I better make sure Thomas is okay.